Today we're going to show you how to build a balloon drone.
If you already have a GoPro, you can do this for about $20.
In order to build it, you're going to need fishing line, a GoPro, and balloons.
We're using the GoPro Session 4 because it's their lightest camera, but any GoPro should work.
In order to do this, we're going to take the GoPro and the normal Session housing. Then we're going to take the ribbon. We're going to thread this through with the GoPro inside it. And once they're clamped together, we're going to use this other bracket to put fishing line through so we can send the balloons up and down. Your head's in it, is that fine?
No.
Before we made this video, we did a little bit of research to figure out how many balloons that we'd need. These guys used 60 balloons, but also used a heavier GoPro and used a base that added some weight. But based on our math, we thought it'd be more like 7 balloons. A regular carnival balloon that is a foot in diameter should be able to lift about 14 grams. The GoPro Session with housing weighs about 115 grams. 115 grams of weight divided by 15 grams of lift equals about 7.5 balloons. Because we're not super great at math, we doubled and got 15 11-inch diameter party balloons. In case that was still wrong, we also got the biggest balloon we could find, a 36-inch wide balloon. This is equivalent to about 35 standard party balloons.
Okay. The wind shifted. Coming, you dog. Yeah, the budget version.
Here's what we do next time. We get balsa wood or...
Is this like our recap?
With a regular drone, even a little bit of wind, I've probably flown mine like 20 mile, 15 mile, I don't know. Like, I've done it when it felt windy. With this, since they're just balloons, if there's any wind, you really see it.
Yeah, it just shakes like crazy.
A balloon drone is not a replacement for a drone, but it's still a lot cheaper than a drone. 20 bucks.
And we got footage from the air.
Yeah, there's a lot of drones on Craigslist, so there's a lot of people that got drones and don't use them. If you get a balloon...
You look like a clone, but you are not a clone.
I am a clone!
If you get a balloon and then decide to not use it again, that's fine. 20 bucks is nothing, but 500 bucks stings a bit.
If we were to do this again, I think there's quite a few things that we would do differently. I still don't know if addressing those issues we would still have a good balloon drone or something that would yield lots of usable footage.
I think the best balloon drone will still be kind of shitty compared to a drone. Thanks for watching our video. Just please like and subscribe.
Just please.
Just please like and subscribe.
Good God, like it.